All right, greetings family. You're live in Ghana with Bomani, and I'm here with one of our wonderful tour participants. Introduce yourself to our people.
My name is Tanerica Garden. I'm from Shreveport, Louisiana.
All right, greetings to Nerico. All right, when did you decide to travel to Ghana?
Last year. I guess about this time last year. Yeah.
Why did you decide to make that decision to take the journey?
Because my mother, she had made plans to go, but of course the person that decided to go with her didn't have the finances, so she said she wanted to go. So I was like, that's during my birthday, so I'll go with you. That's how I ended up here.
And perfect. And your birthday was yesterday. How did you feel having your wonderful birthday here at One Africa?
I can't even explain
Elmina,
it.
Ghana.
You have to be here to know what it felt like, but it was experience. It was overwhelming, and I learned a lot. And I learned something too. Don't take things for granted.
All right, and since we're here in Elmina Cape Coast, where we have two of our Holocaust dungeons, you're in both of those dungeons for several hours in the morning and in the afternoon. How was that experience?
Very emotional. Like I say, you have to be here to experience, but it was very emotional. To see what our ancestors had gone through, and to see what they fought and did for us as their kids and grandkids, and just it was emotional. That's all I could say.
Excellent, perfect. What was your 2 to 3 best times here in Ghana since we have completed 4 regions?
The shopping, of course, because I love to shop.
Love to shop. All right, cool. Would you like to do some more shopping?
Yes.
All right, cool. We got to get you to an ATM machine so you can...
No, I don't need an ATM machine. What I don't have now, I don't need it. Okay, so that's my plan.
And that's a good thing about living in America. When you come to Ghana for your journey, you can just always go back to the ATM machine.
No ATM machine for
and
me.
And keep on getting more money and more money. That's if you decide not to bring all of your money all together. But yes, there's a lot of wonderful things that you can buy, and we encourage it. It contributes to the growth of the nation, and also contributes to us having cultural artifacts in our home environment and around our family to kind of build that relationship. And one last question for you.
Okay.
Based on your experience here in Ghana, you're having this fabulous time. How would you recommend those who have not taken the journey?
They need to come and see for themselves. Yeah, they need to take the experience.
What would you say to them to encourage them based on your experience?
Well, I guess I can say, first of all, just be prepared. Like you say, bring your money, because you're gonna need plenty of money to spend. But it was a nice trip, so get to experience a lot and learn a lot too.
Well, we appreciate your energy and our family. So we will link back with you next time. Take care, stay strong.
Okay.